Today we're installing a USB hardwire kit. First, we're going to determine which fuse slot to use. This could be an empty slot, or we can piggyback off another fuse. We use a voltmeter to find a location which cuts power once the car is turned off. This is to prevent battery drain. Next, it's time to install the USB hardwire kit. One USB port will power the dash cam and one USB port will power the footwell lights. We strip the red cable and add a fuse tap with the appropriate fuse. We strip the black cable and add a ring terminal. We attach the ring terminal to a piece of metal. In this case, we're going to use this bolt. Fuse tap will go into the location which cuts power once the car is turned off. Just make sure you test everything out. It's time to hide the cables in the trim. So run it across the headliner, down the pillar, making sure it's behind the airbags, then bring it behind the glove box. Now that we have our USB hardwire kit installed and the dashcam plugged in, we can now add the footwell lights. First, start off by testing to make sure it works. Then remove the side panels to bring the lights through, one short and one long on either side. Then remove the film and attach the footwell lights using 3M adhesive. And there you have it. We've installed a USB hardwire kit. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to Auto Opener. Longer vids are coming. You don't want to miss out. So make sure you press the subscribe button.